everyone! Today, or not today, but like, yesterday, I actually had a major haul when I went out yard selling, and this is what I got. First off, we got these stuffed animals. And like some of them are like the old wind-up ones that still work. Oh, they're so cute. Definitely easy for horror. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 cute, adorable stuffed animals to murder. Alright, but I also got something that might murder me. I have 3 of these lovely ladies. Variant face designs. And actually these 2 are wind-ups, so I'm not sure how to process. I don't know if they're worth anything or if they're just gonna go into my materials pile like everyone else. Alright, pictures. I have this little picture, I have this little picture, and I got this little picture, and I got this book, because who doesn't love ghosts and demons? Alright, and picture frames. I got a lovely stack of them. Got every one I could find that was already black framed, and I got just a couple of these guys. Alright, what else did I get? Alright, I have some tchotchkes. I don't know, shiny things entertain me, and I get the whole box. I have this lovely lady, who is the same as this lovely lady, who I turned into a witch. I haven't finished her yet, but she's hanging out in the garden. And I got this little half teapot. I got this little jug. I got this adorable teacup. I'm going to brutally murder it. Got some craft supplies. I got a ball for the dog. I got some. I have no idea what these are. These are very familiar to me. I just don't know where I've seen them before. But they're very organic. Thought I could use them for something. I got some little teapot and kettle things, little decorative. I got this little Victorian mirror with a little Victorian picture that is like really out of focus. Oh, it looks so much better on camera. It was like, why is it down here and there's just trees here? It's just, I'll put something else in that. Okay, over here. I got this picture. It's just a print. I got a lovely picture frame. I got this one with like fruit and vegetables and stuff. I got some dinosaurs. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horses. So that is a good haul for me. And I have 3 creepy babies. There's all blue Jesus, look at that. Anyway. And I got a monster hide hole I found in the bottom of something. Anyway, so that is my yard sale haul. I think I did pretty good for just like a couple of hours in the morning. So yeah, let's see what I can make with all of this. I'll work on my camera angle, sorry.